In this question, we're given a relationship between two variables for 25 students last week, and those two variables are time spent texting on the x-axis and time spent exercising on the y-axis. And it asks us, for these 25 students, as the time spent texting increases, the time spent exercises tends to, well, time spent texting is on the x-axis, so as this increases, you'll see because the slope of this line is negative, it decreases from left to right, the time spent exercise tends to decrease because there's a negative slope here. For these 25 students, there is a blank correlation between the time spent texting and time spent exercising. Well, because the slope of this line is negative, it decreases from left to right, there is a negative correlation between these two variables, which intuitively kind of seems to make sense. And now it says, using the best fit line, we would predict that a student texting for 5 hours would exercise for approximately how many hours? So what we want to do is use the line of best fit and find time spent texting at 5 hours and make a point on our calibration line. And what we find is, just by coincidence, that they also spent approximately 5 hours exercising using our line of best fit. So basically we go up from the 5 hours spent texting and go over and up to the line of best fit and then go over to the y-axis, and we see that they spent approximately 5 hours exercising as well.